The urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Ashtabula County in northeastern Ohio, southern Erie County in northwestern Pennsylvania, Crawford County in northwestern Pennsylvania until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Albion to near Andover to near Orwell, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles if possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Reedville, Conneaut, Corey, Edinburgh, Titusville, Union City, Cambridge Springs, Waterford, Albion, Andover, Linesville, Adamsville, Canavita Lake, Pymatuning Central, Riceville, Harrisburg, Lincolnville, Guys Mills, Pymatuning North and Atlantic. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Ashtabula, Ohio, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Crawford and Erie. The urgent weather